It's day 8 of painting the national animals from around the world, and today's country is Peru, whose national animal happens to be a vicuña. Want to join me? The world's largest river, the Amazon River, begins in Peru. At an elevation of 2,500 meters, the Inca citadel of Machu Picchu is one of the new 7 wonders of the world. And at an elevation of 3,800 meters, Lake Titicaca is the highest navigable lake in the world. And I'm not gonna lie, Lake Titicaca is also one of my favorite lake names ever. There are 43 native languages spoken in Peru. Vicuñas have some of the softest wool in the entire animal kingdom. They're thought to be the wild ancestor of the domesticated alpaca. The Incans used to harvest the wool by catching and then releasing the animal. It was said that only the emperor himself was allowed to wear the clothing made from the wool. Anyone else caught wearing vicuña wool risked the death penalty. And finally, one of the biggest stars to come from deepest, darkest Peru is our very own Paddington Bear.
Paddington? Oh, sorry. I like it. Paddington. Paddington.
And that's my vicuña. Show me yours.